Eva Trades.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Eva Trades. My name is Josh. It is June 21st, Wednesday, and today I'm watching OCEA, AHI, RIVN, SOXS, SOXL, and looking at the overall market SPY. We have ourselves an inside range from We're inside the range of yesterday. And here's a look at our scans for the morning. Gap scanners, leading gapper AHI, OCEA. Those are the two that I have over here on my main screen. OCEA making some impressive moves here from in the $5 area all the way up into the $8 area. Now pulling back, consolidating on the 5-minute time frame. AHI, not as impressive. It is our leading gapper, up 125%. Impressive overall, but it's a cheaper stock. And so I'm not sure that I'll even trade it. Now we're breaking through that final support that I had marked out there. Well, we'll see if I even end up trading this one at all, being that it's so cheap. RIVN was from yesterday, but I don't really know. I just put it up there for kind of for lack of options. It's the same with SOXS and XOSL. Excuse me. I wasn't really sure what else to look at, so I put those there. BOF just hit the gap scanner. Let's see. No, I don't like that either. So there really isn't a lot to pay attention to here. The market is open now. So good luck in your trading today. Well, let's try to find something that we can trade. I'm going to buy a breakout on OCEA. A little risky doing that. Also AHI. Adding to AHI, looking for the break through this resistance of $1.77. Sold half. OCEA, I'm back in it again. See if we get a break, a move up this time. No, stopped out on that. Oh, the market's dropping. Took a small trade over there on SOXS. I bought the pullback here and sold as we went back up. OCEA, I'm kind of waiting for it to come down to 745, that area there. I'll take a starter on it. If it drops down further, I'll add. The market is putting in a bounce now. So now I'm long SOXL. I'm going to add to AHI here. RIVN is also making a move. Flattening my positions. Actually, OCEA. I'm going to get back out of that. That one I'm not too impressed with. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get an OCEA off of that support. There it goes dropping again. So I don't know. I think I better get back out of it. Coming down to $7. I'm gonna look for a breakthrough 2 here on AHI. I'll go ahead and flatten it there. We might be halted on AHI. I think we are. Yep. I'm going to buy RIVN because it's holding the volume weighted average price for the moment. I'm going to sell half of that. We have a high up here. I'm adding to it, looking for the break. Through 1623. It's a new 5-minute candle though. I don't like that it's a new 5-minute candle, so I took a $16 loss there. Let me see, what do we have in a range here? 11 cents. So I may try to get into AHI on resumption. I'm long over here. I'm going to flatten that out. Buy the dip. Honestly, I think my stop's too tight, so I'm just going to get back out of that. If my stop hadn't been so tight, now I could buy it. Well, shoot, I think my stop's still too tight. Let's get back out. I'm going to play it safe. Widen my stop loss out here to 15 cents. It's too bad, too, because it made a nice move. So that's a little more like it. So SOXS and SOXL, these are two stocks that are they go inverse of each other. When one goes up, the other goes down. I'm long RIVN again. Changed my mind. So a lot of changing my mind today. I think I want to wait for pullbacks. OCEA. I know I keep trying that one and keep taking losses on it. Another loss again there. So I probably should stop trading that one. AHI. Oh, let me see. I'm going to buy OCEA off of that support though. Let's see if we get a bounce off of 7. Sell half there. I'm going to put my stop loss right at the low, risking $28. RIVN, I'm long off the volume weighted average price. Oops. Okay, I'm watching AHI here for halt resumption. I'm buying that dip right there. Gonna flatten it right there. Okay, so there we go. Wow, look at that move. Wow, that is a nice move. Well, I'm impressed. Definitely impressed. I think it's probably halted again right there. Yep, a whole lot of buying going on. Trying to decide on whether to stop or not. I'm up $291 on the day. Be nice to hit 300. I'm long SOXL. Did we break through the high? Oh, we did. I'm going to get back out of it. Ouch. Big loss there on the other one. Yeah, so that's, I get back about $89 there. I know there's momentum, but I think I might want to stop. Because I like that I'm having a $200 day. I was almost at 300 and gave back just about 100. So yeah, it's time for me to stop. That's too much of a pullback for me to continue. So I'm closing my trading windows. I'm gonna call that a day. So just over 10 minutes in, and I'm up over $200. That's twice my daily goal. I had hoped to get a little more than that. I was trying to push up to 300 by taking a small trade here, took a loss on that, and then I jumped in here, took a loss on that. Also tried to jump in here, took a loss on that. So those 3 losses, and I ended up back down just over $200. And that's a pretty good day. I'm not disappointed at all. I like this momentum we're seeing. It's pretty nice. I'm tempted to want to stick around, you know, and buy a halt resumption on AHI. How many times is it going to halt going up? I don't know. Right now that candle range is 15 cents on this one. Yeah. But no, I already closed out my trading windows, so I can't possibly trade anymore. Nice move over here on SOXS. I thought I'd try a little something different over here today with these two, knowing that they're both inverse of each other. So if one's moving up, the other's moving down. And one of them I can actually short if you have a margin account. Oh, I don't have the window open. I think it was SOXS that I can actually short it if I wanted. So I really didn't need to watch both of them. I could just go short one of them, but I don't typically go short. Not that I don't want to, it's just usually it's harder to find shares to borrow. Boy, SOXS just taking off here. And there's a move up to that 1042, that daily previous high of day. So the halt on AHI was at 634 and resumption should be at 639. Wait a minute, 640, I'm sorry. So it should be at 645. I'll stick around here, watch the halt resumption, and then I'm gonna take off after that. Come back over here and we'll keep an eye on it. Okay, so here we are, 6:45, so it should be sometime in this minute, unless it ends up being a 10-minute halt. Halted up at 229. So on this one, when we resumed, on this one, because we got halted here, we opened up here, it started to pull back, and I jumped in it once, I jumped in it twice, and then it made a move back up over the high, and that's where I sold it. And here we go. So it made a little miniature pullback there. Watch out on this one. She might come back down. Man, look at SOXS just continuing higher. Oh, look at that move. AHI just going for it. What's this level we're coming up to? Oh, that's some level from several days ago. I guess I must have traded AHI. That was like a couple weeks ago. I'm going to delete those. And we're halted again. Oh, man. Well, if you're playing this one, just be careful. A lot of these, they'll keep on halting, going up, and then the next thing you know, you're going to get a flush down. So just be cautious. Very careful. Use your stop losses. But that's going to do it for me. I'm up 2 times my daily goal. I'm going to go do my trade review. And I will see you on the next one. So good luck today and the rest of your trading. One more look at the scanners if you want to see that. If that helps you out any at all. I appreciate you tuning in. Thanks again. See you next time.